Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the reflect object, which has a set method, or you can say the set function, which works like the setting property in a property of an object. So what we're gonna do is create a const object 1 equals an empty object. After that, what we're gonna do, use the reflect object and dot set and pass object 1 comma property 1, and then we are gonna pass 42. When you're done with that, what we're gonna do is log it in the console object 1 dot property 1. What the heck, property 1. When you do that, it's gonna give you 42. So this is what the set method does. So it gonna just add this is just a way to add another properties in the object, empty object, or adding a normal object which has fifth object, like that. So you can do whatever you want. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.